Hi everyone, let's make a fluffy souffle omelette. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 eggs, and you just want to separate them, the yolks in one bowl and the whites in another. You just want to set the yolks aside and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the egg whites. And you're just going to beat the egg whites until you get stiff peaks. You're just going to add the egg yolks to the egg whites and mix them until they are just combined. Just be sure not to beat the air out. Fold the egg through with a spatula just to make sure everything is mixed well. Melt a teaspoon of butter in a pan on a very low heat and disperse it well with a spatula. If the heat is too high, the butter will burn and so will the eggs. Now we're going to pour the egg mixture into the pan and level it as best as possible with a spatula. Now cover and cook the omelette on a low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Use a spatula to check the bottom to make sure it's not burning, and then we're going to use that spatula to fold the omelette over in half. Seal the edges of the omelette so none of the egg escapes. It should take a couple of moments. And there you have it everyone, that's the fluffy souffle omelette. If you like the recipe, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. I just love how it jiggles. Thank you for watching everyone. Much love and have a good one.